Yeah, so been in Popoyo now for about a month. Slowly turning from the dry season to the wet season. You can see there's some clouds on the horizon. There's a storm headed this way, and that means it's gonna go onshore for a couple days. Big storm usually means onshore like that, but we're gonna get some much needed rain. You know, this sandbar really needs to blow out. That sandbar down at Santana really needs to blow out. There's about 3 guys out here surfing the river mouth right now, and to be honest, it's not that good. It looks better than it really is. There's just a lot of closeouts, as you can kind of see. This guy might have a little shoulder at the end. Yeah. But yeah, you can see it's just kind of, the sand is not really working as good as you really want it to work here. About 10 days ago, I just kind of got sick of surfing Popoyo every day, so I've been surfing down here a little bit more. Down at Santana proper, there's probably about 40 people right now, and I really haven't seen anyone make a wave. You know, it's the same thing down there right now. The sand is pretty bad, you know, you can get a little drop, but it's not really opening enough. Oh, that guy almost finished a turn. You know, oh, first peak. Yeah, someone just got a turn at first peak. But yeah, I can see at least 20 people are sitting on it. It just is what it is, you know, this place is developed now. And it's gonna be like this pretty much from now on. It probably is gonna get a lot worse. And you know, I use the term worse loosely because it's worse for a guy like me who, you know, if you watch this channel, you see me, I look for kind of the waves that are a little bit less populated. I kind of like the out in the middle of nowhere spots that are a little bit harder to reach and the waves aren't quite as good. But also, as you can see here right now, the waves, they aren't that good. And so yeah, it's just pretty crowded, and the waves, there's a lot of size, there's some decent shape, but they're mostly closed out, you know. I've been watching for about half an hour, and one of these 3 guys has gotten like 1 turn, you know. And that just is, just is the way it is. That's a little right on the inside, maybe makeable. And that's the ones you're lucky to get here now. Probably gonna head out of here. Oh, look at that one. That's a good one. That's the best one I've seen all morning. More of that. Oh, another one in the same spot. Is it gonna wall up or is it gonna shoulder out? A little bit of both. But yeah, that's just the way it is. Even in places where the waves are perfect, you can't expect it to be perfect all the time. This is the first time I've been here this early in the season in about 18 or 19 years. And usually I'm here in like July, and the sandbars are just much better. But it's really not that way right now. And yeah, I probably won't even surf this morning. Gonna head out to Granada and have a nice little apartment in a city, do some touristy things, relax. Ooh, a little chonker. Little chonker. Go, go. Yeah, it just walled up. I was kind of hoping with a little bit of tide it might stop being as walled up, but I don't think I'm going to get my wish this morning. There's that little right again. That little one section right. Yeah, sand's pretty bad right now. Right there where it's hitting on that inside, there's like a lump of sand where it's really shallow. All that just needs to wash out and wash down. But that's surfing, you know. That's why good waves are so coveted, because, you know, that's why when it's good, you gotta be out and on it. And I didn't really have a bad surf trip this run. Had a lot of days of fun waves. Just, you know, one of the biggest things about surf trips is managing your expectations. Not every day can be the best day. Not every surf trip can be the best surf trip you ever had. A lot of times it just is what it is. You got to take it for what it is and try to enjoy it. Hope everyone's having a good day. Pura vida. time for some hydration. Hydration. Not that bad, nope. Now you gotta look for one of the intermediate ones. It's gonna open up in between. Yeah, ended up getting a couple waves, decided to paddle out just because it's my last day. I got a really fun left, actually. Probably one of the better waves I've gotten in the last week. So yeah, that's, I guess, a lesson to be learned when it comes to surfing. I'm beat though, man. Had a little fever earlier this week, and like, you know, I'm still just trying to recover a little bit. It took a lot out of me, especially with the power being out, you know, 3 days a week. It's hard. But yeah, it's been a fun trip. Really fun trip. Gonna get out of here in a couple hours and relax for a week before I go home. Pura vida.